Hey, this is Tom from One Valley Woodworks. I'm going to show you how I get my boards completely flat and sanded smooth. Alright, first things first, I set up my router sled just to flatten up any slab. Planks stick up a little bit, there's some glue squeeze out there. I just use this router sled just to make sure that the boards get completely flat before I run it through the Jet 2244 drum sander. Alright, so here's the board post router sled flattening. I'm going to run it through the drum sander. I cannot tell you how much I love this process. It literally saves me about 45 minutes to an hour per board of work time. If time matters to you, then you need to get this tool. And you can also just see the finished product here. I flattened all 4 of these boards here. It took me less than 30 minutes post router sled. This would normally take me about an hour per board. Is that drum sander worth the money? Absolutely. I've never been happier using any tool in my shop. Thanks for watching. Please like, follow, subscribe.